Hi boys and girls. So yesterday we looked at a very special phoneme, didn't we? We looked at the split digraph O. So O, phone home. And there was a little rhyme that went with it. So it was O, phone home. O, phone home. So today what we're going to do is we are going to look at one sound. We're going to look at or. So can you say it? Or. Or. Can you say it in a quiet voice? Or. So to help us with this, we have got a nice little rhyme. And so we've got some birds in the tree and the sun is rising. So it is or, yawn at dawn. Or, yawn at dawn. Or, yawn at dawn. So say the sound for me. Or. And now the rhyme. Yawn at dawn. So, this is what our special friends look like when they are together. So it's an a and a w put together. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at some words. So this word has got our special friend in the middle. So what we'll do is we'll sound it out and then we'll read it all together to begin with, and then you can have a go at reading it. So we've got d or n, dawn, d or n, d or n, d or n. Say it one more time for me. Well done. So now what we'll do is we'll have a look at another word. Let me just write it down. I've drawn my dots and dashes as well to show my special friends. So we've got y or n, y or n, yawn, y or n. Can you say have a go? Y or n, y or n, y or n. Well done, superstars. Let's have a go at another one. Let's have a go at this word. This one's a little bit trickier, but it's fine. So remember, we'll sound it out to begin with. We've got k, r, or l, k, r, or l, crawl, k, r, or l, crawl. And then let's have a go at one more word. This word is a little bit trickier, because in this word there are 5 sounds. We've got our special friends at the end. We've got j, I, g, s, or. J, I, g, s, or. Jigsaw. Can you say that one? J, I, g, s, or. J, I, g, jig, s, or. Jigsaw. Well done, superstars. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use our Fred fingers to say some of the words out loud, and then we'll have a go at writing them. So the first one we had was dawn. So we've got d or n, d or n. Your turn. Well done. Can we pinch these? So we've got d or n, d or n. Well done. So what I want you to do now is just have a go at writing dawn. Remember to use your Fred fingers to help you. So we've got d or n. Have a go at that one. Write it onto your whiteboards. So let's have a look together. We've got d or n. Gives yourself a little tick if you got d. Gives yourself a little tick if you got your or sound with your special friends. And give yourself a tick if you put the n at the end. The next word is the word yawn. Let's use our Fred fingers again. We've got y or n. Y or n. Let's pinch them. Y or n. Y or n. Have a go at writing that word for me now. You ready? We've got y or n. Gives yourself a tick if you put a y, an or, and a n. Y or n. Well done. Next one, let's have a go at the word crawl. So remember, we did do this one before. We've got k, r, or, l. K, r, or, l. K, r, or, l. Can you pinch those sounds? K, r, or, l. 4 sounds. Let's have a go at writing that one. So we had k, r, or, l. Let's do our dots and dashes. K, r, or, l. There's our special friends as well. Give yourself a tick if you put a k, a r, an or, and a l. Well done. Right, let's have a look at some sound cards. I'm going to mix up some sounds. And when you see today's sound, remember this is special friends, it's or. I want you to say, there's or, and point to it and shout it out, okay? Say the sounds as we go. So we've got I, or. Well done, let me hear you say it one more time. Or, yawn at dawn. Well done, well remembered. Let me mix some and add a few more in. Are you ready? Let's try and trick you this time. We've got O, A, ow, a, oi, or, yawn at dawn. Well done. So now, what I would like you to do is on your whiteboard, can you use one of these 3 words from today in a sentence? So I'm going to give you some time to do that. I'm going to write a sentence as well. Here's my sentence. Mr. Wakefield began to crawl. I've used my or sound just there and I've done my special friends. I've also got a split digraph A in my name, which we did earlier this week. So what I want you to do is give yourselves a big whoopee and a little silent round of applause because you've worked very hard today. Well done.